The Chinese nation, with its civilization dating back over 5,000 years, has made numerous contributions to humankind. From the mid-19th century, however, for 100 years, she endured unprecedented suffering. So many times, the Chinese nation rose up to fight, only to meet with failure. The humiliation reached a new height in 1919 at the Paris Peace Conference, when victorious China was treated like a defeated country. And finally, the Chinese nation's rage blew up like an erupting volcano.
终于像火山一样爆发了。
首长，你看，这些受苦的民众。
This sketch is based on the recent highly popular TV drama series Age of Awakening. The founding members of the Communist Party of China, among them Li Dazhao and Chen Duxiu, in 1921 established a new party rooted in Marxism that would represent the people and guided China to a new dawn.
过上好日子，他是中国美好未来的先声。
任之先生写得太好了。
Mao
天
Zedong,
下者，我们的天
another
下；
early
国家
member,
者，我们
led
的
the
国家。
party and people in the revolution that culminated in the founding of the People's Republic of China in 1949.
我们不说，谁说？我们不干，谁干？
我手里捧着的是《共产党宣言》。
Early leading communists Chen Wangdao and Qu Qiubai translated the first Chinese version of the Communist Manifesto and the song The Internationale, respectively, to inspire the Chinese people in their fight for a
全
better
世界无
life.
产者，联合起来！
秋白先生，这就是您翻译的国际歌。
起来，饥寒交迫的奴隶！起来，全世界受苦的人！要为中国寻找一条光明之路，那就一起唱响这首全世界无产阶级革命者的 战歌。